put in a storm drain, all of this flooding done for the rest of my life. Or, or for the whole community. But who going to do it? If you don't even say the MP don't come here, so the councillor don't come. I don't see him. If they do come, I don't see him. I don't hear say come. So why vote for these people? Because they not benefit the country the right way. People are suffering the same way like white people when they had a disaster area. Matter say they no lose their house stuff, but them flood. The government could have given a decent pump to pump the water, you know. And we don't get a decent pump. So, yeah, and rough. I don't know when we will come back. How the country will come back. And I can't put you the thing alone. I can put it to everybody. So, I hope they will come and hear what I say and put a stand here. I'm pleading to them for that. So if it's only me a plea, well at least somebody a plea. And may God bless you till the end of time.